Hello friends, so in this video I will show you that how to use Google Gemini features inside Google Sheets so you can easily organize your data instantly. So you can learn here how to use simple text prompts to generate complex tables, trackers, and also calendars in seconds. So watch and learn these things because now you don't need to create a lot of tables, complicated tables, columns, as you were doing in the past. So now if you have Google Gemini Pro, so you can use like see if we sign in to Google Sheets and let we try like in a blank spreadsheet. So I just have started a blank spreadsheet, and here you can see on the top right side you can see you can ask Gemini. So we will ask Gemini, and when we click on this, so you can see here few examples of the prompts and references sources. You can see here like create a table to compare business strategies, create a table to manage a call center. So we will ask Gemini, for instance, like create a project management tracker and for a website launch with columns for task name and assigned to deadline and status, priority, and notes. So if we just press enter or click on submit, so Google Sheets now, Google Gemini will create the project management tracker. See, incredible. And here you can see the task name, assigned to, deadline, status, priority, and notes that I mentioned. See, incredible. And here you can see the task name like define. So you need to insert or discard the previous. So you can insert as you mentioned in the prompt, and now you are satisfied with the results. So you can see like now define project scope and wireframe home page, and this looks very stunning and professional table with the like the background color for headings also, and we have like in the status like to do or something like in progress or completed. Incredible. So if you do this thing, you normally like as you were doing in the past, so how difficult it was and now how easy it is. So you can do within few seconds. See, right, website copy. So this is assigned to, for instance, Umar, so we can change it. And this one like to do or completed, or the priority is high or medium, we can change. How it is focusing on the SEO keywords, notes we can change. So this is amazing. Honestly speaking, this is amazing. If we go to the new spreadsheet, and here if I again ask Gemini, so now this time I will ask like generate a social media content calendar for the next 30 days with columns for date, platform, content topic, media type, and publishing status. So just press enter. Now it will generate a social media content calendar for the next 30 days with the columns that we mentioned in the prompt. Incredible. See, we we mentioned like date, platform, content topic, media type, and publishing status, and you can also see the hashtags notes there. So see, each and everything is there. So platform like for the social media, you can select, you have to insert. Now you can select like for Instagram, for Twitter, for LinkedIn, so and the content topic you can change according to your content. And the media type also, the publishing status, either it has been published or not, so you can change it. Means now you have fully control on the spreadsheet. You didn't create it manually, just you asked Gemini to create it, and Gemini has generated this incredibly professional table and spreadsheet for you within few seconds. Now let's try one or two more. So we click on file, blank spreadsheet. And this, I am showing you, multiple prompts, so you will easily understand like whatever the business you have or whatever, the personal projects you have. So you can generate spreadsheets according to your content easily. So you can type just your prompt. So here we will ask Gemini again, like create a now 5-day conference trip itinerary with columns for time, activity, and location, contact person, and estimated budget. So when we press the enter, so you can see just within few seconds, see, incredible, amazing. The spreadsheet is in front of our eyes where we have mentioned like about the date, time and activity, location, contact person, and also the estimated budget. So this is a 5-day conference trip, and you can see each and everything is here. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So for 5 days, so we can insert it and we can change the content according to our requirements. One more we try. So again, if we click on Ask Gemini, and here I will type like make a customer feedback log with columns for customer name, date, rating from 1 to 5, and feedback summary and action taken. So this will create a customer feedback log with columns for customer name, date, rating, feedback summary, and the action taken. So you can see now here, customer name, names are there, dates are there, rating from 1 to 5. So we can change the customer names. Feedback summary is also there, action taken is also there, and follow-up status there. So if we are satisfied with this, so we can insert it, and you can see each and everything is here. So the customer name we can change according to our customer names, and dates and rating we can change. So it's up to us. And the follow-up status, like either it is completed or in progress or has been scheduled. So we can change according to the status of, our spreadsheet or our content. So this is the amazing thing, now you can use the features of Google Gemini in Google Sheets. So instead of creating or generating manual spreadsheets, now you can just type a prompt, a professional prompt, and you can ask Gemini to generate incredibly professional tables and spreadsheets within few seconds.